Your cat might secretly be turning into a tiny cheetah at 3 a.m. If you've ever been woken up by the sound of your cat sprinting through your house like they're being chased by invisible demons, you're witnessing something amazing. Those crazy midnight zoomies aren't random at all. Your house cat is following an ancient hunting schedule. Wild cats are most active at dawn and dusk when their prey comes out. Even though your fluffy buddy doesn't need to hunt for dinner, their brain still gets flooded with hunting hormones at these times. Since they can't chase real mice, all that pent-up energy explodes into wild, sprinting sessions around your living room. Younger cats get the zoomies way more than older ones because they have more energy to burn. Some cats even get post-bathroom zoomies because using the litter box makes them feel vulnerable. So they celebrate being safe by running around like maniacs. Here's the crazy part though. Your cat isn't just being hyper. They're literally following the same schedule their wild ancestors used thousands of years ago.